Okay, so my video today is about testosterone. Not really about it, we've already done about. I was saying before, when I take my androgel once a day, I do it on one shoulder, then the other shoulder, and then I swore up and down that I wouldn't do my stomach. Well, a week later, nothing on my arm. See? Nothing. There's a little dot. That might be a pimple. Not really sure. And then this one, no hairiness or nothing. Kind of bad lighting. But anyways, you see that I don't got hair. You see my arm hair? Kinda. I barely even have any. But anyways, not hairy. So what I started doing today was applying it on my stomach. You don't put it near your top area. It's basically, once you've passed that top area, down. Don't rub it underneath your boobs or breasts or anything. You don't want any contact with that top area whatsoever. And it says on the box. If your thing says different, then fine. But for the androgel, it says arms and stomach. Stay to the arms and stomach. I don't know what happens if you don't. So yeah, the stomach is great. I just realized, well, I always do mine after the shower, so you're kind of like, I don't know what the word is. It moist? Your skin? Is that the word? Yeah. So when I put it on my shoulders, I seem to rub a bit, keep on going for it to be worked in, even though I just got out of the shower. But today was great because once I put it on my stomach area and barely even rubbed, I think I did 2 circles and it was already in. So if you're in a rush or something, I think that, like my girlfriend told me before, is the reason why it doesn't get used that often, but at the same time it works into the skin. So if you're in a rush or you don't got time, or you're, maybe you're wearing a jersey or something out and you don't want your arms rubbing, so if you can put it in your stomach real fast or whatever, rub it on, it immediately is entered and then you're good. Strongly recommend, if anyone who's still doing it, don't touch anyone. I lay out my towel to shower with. I lay out my floor towel to get off on. I have my androgel packed already out on the counter. I don't open it up yet, but I also have a piece of paper towel in the bathroom also, so when I rip it open, I put the discarded wrapper on the paper towel so it doesn't touch anything. Apply my cream, put the same discarded wrapper on the paper towel, apply my stuff, and then if you can, take your shower towel, I turn my knob on with it, pump the shampoo or the soap out, wash my hands real good, and then put it under. Try to, if you can, try to dry your hands off with the same shower towel you used. That way you're not coming in contact with someone else's towel, or you're not touching the sink so someone else is coming in or whatever, right? Be considerate of other people. Not everyone wants the testosterone. If you're living alone, that's fine, but you don't got any friends coming over, and you probably don't got anything to worry about. But if you got pets at home or whatever, be leery too. I was told that. So if you got your cat, your dog, any family pets or loved ones or whatever, just be cautious. Other than that, next week not this Saturday, but next Saturday will be 2 weeks on testosterone, so we'll do an update then. Nothing really major happened. Don't got like arms of steel or anything. There's no Hulk coming out. But other than that, that's my update. Other than that, hope you guys are having a good day. Bye.